and they never ever look like they're wearing too much makeup? We may not be them, but here's how to get their look. Apply concealer to these exact spots and blend upwards using a damp beauty blender. Here I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. By doing this, you'll lift your face up naturally without having to add heavy contour. Next up, brows. Whether you've got a lot of brow or a little, all you have to remember is that brows are very powerful tools when it comes to lifting up the face. But instead of brushing your brows upward and straight, which can make you look a bit crazy, brush them upward and diagonal, which gives you a more natural but lifted look. Here I'm using the Kosas Clear Brow Gel, and don't forget to lift the tail, it makes all the difference. Next, gently press some translucent powder, this one is by Innisfree, into the places where your concealer usually creases. So for example, your upper eyelids, under eyes, and around the mouth and nose. Lightly coat your lashes with Aquaphor before curling them, and I'm using this RMS Clean Mascara for a lifted and plush look. For your cheeks, you can use a cream blush, or I'm using this Lip Shine by RMS Beauty in the shade Bloom, and pressing and melting it into my skin with a damp beauty blender. To give yourself an angelic glow, dab a cream highlighter like this Living Luminizer one by RMS Beauty onto the tops of your cheeks and nose. Create a heart-shaped pout by drawing 2 little rainbows over the top of your Cupid's bow using a rose tone lip liner and gently rounding out the bottom. Using your finger, smudge the liner inward and upward, kind of like you've just been kissed. Finish off with a light coat of lip gloss, and even if your life's a mess, you'll look like America's Next Sweetheart.